You invested time and money in your Brazilian wax, but soon after, bumps, itching, and fast regrowth appear. The real issue? It's not about the wax. It's your hygiene routine before and after the appointment. Today on MTH Health, we'll tackle the 5 hygiene mistakes ruining your results. Let's ensure your smooth skin lasts for weeks, not just days. Mistake number 1. Showering with hot water and heavy soaps just before your wax. Hot water increases skin sensitivity, leading to more irritation during waxing. Scented or heavy products can leave residue that prevents proper wax adhesion. The fix? Shower at least 2 hours prior with lukewarm water and a gentle cleanser. Ensure your skin is completely dry before waxing. Remember, cleanliness is great, but timing is crucial. Mistake number 2. Working out or sweating soon after your wax. For 48 hours post-wax, your skin is vulnerable. Sweat carries bacteria, leading to irritation and bumps. The fix? Take a break from intense workouts for a full 48 hours. No gym, sauna, or sweating. Keep the area cool, dry, and relaxed. This temporary pause can significantly improve your results. Mistake number 3. Wearing tight clothing immediately after waxing. Tight or synthetic fabrics trap heat and create friction on sensitive skin. This can increase irritation and cause ingrown hairs. The fix? Opt for loose, breathable clothing for the first 2 days. Cotton underwear is ideal. Your skin heals better when it can breathe freely. Mistake number 4. Exfoliating too early or not at all. Exfoliating right after waxing can exacerbate irritation. However, neglecting to exfoliate later can trap hairs. The fix? Wait 3 to 4 days before you start exfoliating. Then exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week using gentle methods. This routine keeps your skin smooth and helps prevent ingrown hairs. Mistake number 5. Touching your skin frequently post-wax. It's tempting to touch that smooth skin, but your hands harbor bacteria that can irritate. The fix? Avoid unnecessary touching. If applying soothing products, ensure your hands are clean. This simple habit can greatly affect your results. Brazilian waxing is an investment worth protecting. Avoid these 5 hygiene mistakes and enjoy smoother skin that lasts. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to MTH Health for more simple, effective care tips. And share in the comments, what mistake did you not realize you were making? See you in the next video.